Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to group projects in Asana. So first click on this plus icon right here and click on New Portfolio. Portfolio is actually the way to group your projects, so click your portfolio, which is basically something like your group. So let's name it Group 1, and you can make it public to my workspace or private to portfolio members. So choose whichever you want and then click on Continue. Click on Go to Portfolio, and here is your Group 1. In order to add some projects and group them into this group, you will have to click on Add Work, and now select the projects that you want to add. So I will add this project and this project. Now I have successfully grouped these projects, as you can see right here under this group. So it is really simple to group projects. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.